Thanks for watching my channel. I do my best to make music theory easy to understand because there's really nothing too difficult about it. However, it can be explained in a way that is very difficult. I make it as simple as possible, breaking it down into its most basic form. Here we're going to learn about the blues scale. The blues scale is basically a minor pentatonic scale with a flatted 5 added to the scale. What that means is we go to the root and we get the letter that's 5 away, including the root. That's going to be B in our key of E minor, which we're going to use as our example. Starting from E, B is the 5. We're going to add a flatted version of B, making a total of 6 notes: E, G, A, B flat, B, D. When you resolve to the E, your lick will sound the strongest and it will also sound complete. So you're going to want to resolve to the E pretty much all the time because that's the note in the chord that this scale supports. And that is your blues scale: E, G, A, B flat, B, D in this key. We're simply adding a flatted version of the 5th letter in order to create the scale. Resolving to the E from the G is one of the strongest ways to get the sound. Reversing the other way, that is your blues scale. I hope it becomes a little simpler to understand, knowing it's just an extra note added to the pentatonic scale. I hope this video helps you reach your personal best. That's what I'm here to do. Continue to watch back for more videos, and I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.